Hello guys, so in this video we are going to create a logo from a font. So first of all, choose a type tool, write any letter. For example, I am going to write SE. Then we are going to use a font called Serpentine. Now right click and create outlines. Right click, ungroup. Now take a rectangle tool, we are going to remove the upper part of the E. Select rectangle and E, go to window, pathfinder and minus. Now take a direct selection tool, select and extend it to this one. Now take a again direct selection tool, select these two nodes and make it this like this. Your simple logo is ready. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.